Hey food lovers, welcome back to Cooking with D Foodie. Today, I'm making a unique take on Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken. Let's get started. In this bowl, I have some chicken legs that I've already washed, dried and skin removed. Let's move on to seasoning. First, poke some holes in the chicken legs with a knife. This helps the seasoning penetrate deeper for more flavor. Season the chicken legs with all-purpose seasoning: garlic powder, onion powder, baking soda, ginger powder, paprika, dry thyme, browning and green seasoning. Rub it all in and let it marinate for at least an hour. If you can, leave it overnight in the fridge for even better flavor. Now, heat up some oil in a skillet or Dutch oven over medium-high heat. Brown the chicken legs on all sides, then set them aside. Please let me know which city you're watching from, so I can send you a special hug in my next video. Also, if you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like the video. Your support motivates me to keep creating these delicious recipes. Thank you. In the same skillet, add your chopped onion, garlic, scallions, carrots, bell pepper, thyme, green seasoning, soy sauce, ketchup, and all the seasonings used earlier. Sauté everything until the vegetables are softened and aromatic. Pour in some water from the bowl in which the chicken was marinated to get the flavor left behind. I also add some oyster sauce, which really elevates the flavor. You have to try it. Time to bring it all together. Return the chicken to the skillet, bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and let it simmer for 40 minutes or until the water reduces. Now that the water reduces, I'll add some washed spinach and cover again until the spinach wilted. And there you have it. Our Jamaican Brown Stew Chicken is ready. Serve it hot with rice or your favorite sides. This dish is bursting with flavor and guaranteed to be a hit. Please give this a try and let me know how it turns out in the comment section. I served this with some white basmati rice. It was absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious recipes from around the world. Until next time, always remember to embrace the journey, for it leads to the destination you've always dreamed of.